Question 15 of test 7, compound angle formula. So here we have a couple of identities, and this one is very interesting. It is cos 2x minus 4 cos square x equals to 5 sin x, where x is between minus pi to pi by 2. Okay, that's the domain is from x minus 5 to pi by 2. So take care of the domain when you write down your answer. Okay, copy the question and write down your solution, and then look into my suggestion. So here is my suggestion. So what I will do is this time we'll write this equation in terms of sine. So we can always write because we have one sine here, and these two things can be written in terms of sine, right? So cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square x. So we'll write that as 1 minus 2 sine square x, and minus 4 times cos square x can be written as 1 minus sine square x, right? And on the right side we have 5 sine x. Correct. So now we can open this bracket and combine like terms. So let's do it in 2 steps. Minus 4 plus 4 sine square x equals to 5 sine x. So we have here 1 and minus 4 is minus 3, so we have minus 3, and minus 2 and plus 4 is plus 2 sine square x equals to 5 sine x, right? So we can bring 5 sine x on this side, so minus 5 sine x equals to 0, correct? Now that's a quadratic equation in sine square x. Let's rewrite it. So we can write this as 2 sine square x minus 5 sine x minus 3 equals to 0. And we can always factor it, correct? To factor it, we need two numbers whose product is minus 6. So product we are looking for as minus 6, and their sum we are looking for minus 5, correct? So the product and sum is satisfied by minus 6 and 1. So we can decompose the center term as minus 6 sine x plus sine x minus 3 equals to 0. Now we can take 2 sine x common. So we are left with sine x minus 3 plus here we have sine x minus 3 equals to 0. Now sine x minus 3 is common, and we have 2 sine x plus 1 equals to 0. Now these two factors when multiplied give us 0. That means either sine x equals to 3 or sine x equals to minus half. So these are two possible solutions, right? And as we know, sine x is within a plus and minus 1, so that does not exist. So that is not a valid solution, right? So we are left with one valid solution, which is sine x equals to minus half. Okay, so let's consider our domain now. So we say, well, the domain here is from minus pi to pi by 2. That means from minus pi from here to pi by 2, right? So think like this. Let's say if we have a sine wave, so normally we draw sine wave like this, right? That is from 0 to 2 pi. Now here it is like this, correct? So the sine wave actually is from minus pi to pi by 2, from here to here, pi by 2. That is what the domain is. And you're looking for answers where sine x is minus half, right? So sine x is minus half, that means think like this, something like this. Do you see that? So that is your answer, right? So how will you really get in your coordinate system? So that means when we say minus, that means we are moving in this direction, right? So basically we have a domain from here to here. Do you see that? So starting from here to here, that is what domain is, minus pi to pi by 2, correct? So that is going to be our domain. So now to get this answer of minus half, we can use special triangles, correct? So the special triangle is 30-60 triangle. So in this triangle, you know, 1 and this is 2 and this is square root of 3. For sine to be minus half, we're looking at angle of pi by 6. Pi by 6. Right? So this angle pi by 6 is on the minus side. And there are two solutions here. Do you see that? Those are the two solutions. So the two solutions are, let's go like this, pi by 6 here and the pi by 6 acute here, right? So this pi is divided to 6 portions. This is minus pi by 6 and that one is minus 5 pi by 6. Do you see that? And this is our minus pi. When we go like this, we'll see like this now. That's another way of looking into it, right? So when you say from pi by 2, let's consider from here. That is pi by 2. Pi by 2 is greater, right? So pi by 2. So x is less than pi by 2. Let's consider like this now. And it is up to this side, right? So those are the two solutions for us. So we get solution as x is equals to minus pi by 6 or minus 5 pi by 6. So in this question, domain is kind of critical. Do you see these two are your solution sets? Do you understand? Since the domain is from minus pi to pi by 2. Okay? Thank you.